I don't understand why this controversy is again and again cropping its heads, because we had made it pretty clear earlier on that India will not travel to Pakistan to play Champions Trophy, or for matter of fact any other tournament, or for, I think now it's more clear that we will not go and play any other sports also. You know, what was happening was that cricket नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है, बाद में some other sports are going, some I think blind team was supposed to go, or some Scrabble tournament is happening. I think everything should stop. Once we are sulking, we are sulking. And I don't think so that they also should get upset every time this comes up again, because they should know that this is the policy of the government. BCCI has got no role in it. It's not that BCCI is deciding not to go or the team is deciding. It is Government of India saying we are not going to play in Pakistan. Eventually, it happen, we should not play anything with Pakistan anywhere. Now, even if we go to a neutral place, I mean, this is kind of a surrogate advertising, isn't it? It's a proxy thing. If we are not going to play in Pakistan or in India, we should not play with them anywhere. Let the signal go out. I don't know why people are shying away from this fact that we should go and play in neutral grounds and multi-country tournament. You know, let's not play with them.
In
Multinational also.
World Cup,
yeah, because we are not happy with the country. We are not happy with what they're doing in our country.
we will be losing 2 points.
I don't care about the points at all. It is more than the points. It has got to know. It's about a nation. It's about your patriotism. This country is giving us headache. Why are we having any kind of sporting ties with them? Let it be Olympics also. We not play with them. I think we should take this call also. And then they're saying that, okay, we don't care and all that. If you don't care, carry on doing. We are also happy in our life. You are happy in doing whatever, because you're not stopping. Even we have taken cricket away. We are not going to Pakistan to play cricket. Has it stopped anything on our borders? Nothing. So why this piecemeal? Why don't we just, why is this grey area? Either you're pregnant or you're not. There's no such thing as half pregnant. Well, Rashid Talreef, is he speaking as an official spokesman of the Pakistan Cricket Board? No. So in his individual capacity, like I am saying that we should stop everything, he is saying also, even if they have the bandwidth or not, this is the point. If they feel that slighted, if they feel insulted, then they can take this call also. They are well within their rights, and we are okay with that. It suits us fine. So, but it is against our decision to do that.
Sir, it's like ulta chor kotwal ko date.
There is no chor, no kotwal here. Basically, we are not playing because of the policies of this surrogate war and this terrorism and all that, which we are irritated. So we think, and it is right by the Government of India, and I totally agree with this, that whenever we keep on handling whatever they're doing, they're not stopping so many years. We still keep on giving them cricket. We still keep on playing cricket with them. So when this signal goes out that everything is okay, because man on the street, ground reality says cricket तो खेल रहे हैं, फिर क्या हो गया? आम भी जा रहे हैं, ट्रेड भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ बंद कर दो. नहीं, all cricket ties should end. That is fine. I think India should take that stance. If Rashid is saying on the rebound, that is fair enough of his comment. But India should say that why just not play in Pakistan? Because ICC says the security level is okay. So our issue was the security. If ICC says security is okay, but we feel no, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि we are not sure where we are standing. If we got to stop playing cricket with Pakistan because of the other issues, because why this stance has been taken is because of the other things. If those things have not improved, we should stop playing cricket with Pakistan at all. Why play with them in Dubai? Why play with them in Sri Lanka? We should not play at all.
But then ICC will come in and then they will take step against.
ICC cannot overrule a national policy, boss. Who is ICC? Cricket is not bigger than our national pride. It's not bigger than India, is it? So be it. But we have taken the stance because of Pakistan's irritant behavior and because of this proxy war there, and this terrorism and everything, which is proven. India is saying yes. They said no, we are not the ones. But I said if we have taken a stance that just you are the ones, then why play even on neutral ground? Why go on with this surrogacy and proxy? Not really. Why should I judge about what Rashid Talreef is saying? Because I am also saying a radical stuff, Being saying that, and I totally believe it this time. Whether my voice is big enough to be noticed or not, I don't care. But my viewpoint is that if we have decided not to go to Pakistan because of a reason, that reason is not affecting them, that reason is not hurting them, they're still at it, then we should take everything away from them. We should not even play against them in Pakistan, in Dubai. In Sri Lanka, in anywhere. Let it be multinational tournaments. We don't care. Because cricket is not bigger. And cricket will go on. Only India, Pakistan will not play cricket. In World Cup or multinational cricket, they will let the ties go. We'll give the points. So be it. No, India has not taken a decision yet. they keep on playing in neutral venues and all that. But if Pakistan is saying that we're not playing cricket in India, India should also say that okay, we'll also not play cricket. तुम अपने में खुश रहो, हम अपने में खुश हैं. अगर आप सर्वाइव कर रहे हो, वो भी कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने भी they have also resigned to the fact that okay, हमारी भी लीग शुरू हो रही है. Pakistan Cricket League is there, PSL is there, everything going on. We are playing other countries are coming. Fine. अपने ठीक है, खुद कमाओ, खुद खाओ.
Let's separate all rights.
Say what you say about in all sports, in everything. So just taking cricket away is like a piecemeal thing. ये tokenism है कि दिखाने के लिए देखो जब हम नाराज हैं. उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. What is the point?